Oh my god. Bong bong bong. Dum dum dum. We're resource. Is that scripted? Tell me that was scripted, was it? You filthy stinking... Was that you? Was that a creeper? What was that even? It must have been a creeper. What was that? You didn't even protect me or anything. I should cut your insides out so I can hide inside you like they did in Star Wars. Would you like that? And then I'll make you into bacon. Would you like that? The bacon. Yummy. Yummy. Mmm. He's not even looking at me. He's looking around me. What is it called? Cockeyed fool. I should knock you off this platform, but I have to keep you around for lunch. How's that? Alright, here's the thing. That's your side, this is my side. You stay over there and I'll stay over here. We won't have any casualties, Roger?